Hello class. Today I will be teaching you the basics of HTML5 coding. So, what do you need to begin writing HTML? You first need a browser to test your HTML code. In this example, I'll be using Google Chrome. You also need a text editor. I'll be using Notepad++.
Excuse me, miss, what is all the code that's written in blue?
There are a few terms that you should know when you begin writing in HTML: tag, element, and attribute. For example, these are tags: head tag, title tag, and style tag. They all have names and are surrounded by angle brackets. An element has a start tag and an end tag with content in between. For example, this line of coding will be an element. You may also hear start tags and end tags being referred as opening tags and closing tags. Notice that they have the same name, however, the end tag must have a / before the name of the tag. An attribute, if present, is located in the start tag after the tag name. For example, if I was to add ID equals name to the header 1 tag, that will be considered an attribute. Now, let's take a look at some HTML code that I've written. As you can see, I've added some spaces before each line of code. This is not required to write, I just prefer to add them. The HTML file starts with a doc type, located at the very top. This is a preamble used for our HTML5 document. After the doc type is the HTML element, which in this example, we're specifying English as the language that'll be used. The HTML tag is the root element. The rest of the HTML code is located in between the start and end tags of the HTML tags. Inside these tags are two sections, the head and the body. The head defines the head section, which contains information about the HTML code. The meta element is used to specify various kinds of information. This element only has a start tag, so an attribute is used to specify its information. In this case, we're specifying the character encoding, UTF-8. This is the attribute, and is a very common value used in this position. What's in between the title tags is what's used as a title in the browser. In this example, my browser's title is Chelsea's HTML document, which you will see in 1 second. Right here. Alright class, we're going to stop here for today's lesson. I hope you enjoyed the basics of HTML coding, and we'll continue in the next class period.